We'll cover finding and downloading software on the Microsoft Azure website. You can review the other video guide on accessing the site. Once you get to it, remember, make sure you're on the education page. There's two ways to find the software list. There's a software link on the left, and there is a download software button at the bottom. So we can click on one. It's going to pull up a list of Microsoft products. You can expand the name field if you need to view more information. You can do a search. You can use filters. A common type of software is the operating system, so we can filter for that. Let's see, the operating system. Cuts it down by about 2/3, so that helps. We can scroll through to find what we're looking for. We have Windows 10. There are many versions. If you're looking to upgrade from home to enterprise, you want to go with Windows 10 Education. It's the same thing. If you need anything else, for VM, for a class, just get whatever your instructor says. We also have Windows 8. Then we have Windows Server. So let's go ahead and look at Windows 10. When you find what you want, you just click on it, and a pane is going to open on the right. Didn't take, so we find it again. Click on it. So a pane opens on the right. We can scroll through. We're going to look at two things. The big one's the download button. We're going to click the download button so it'll start. And this is over 4 gigs, for instance, so you want to have a good connection and some time. It'll get the ISO, so you can download that. The default location is a download folder. And then you want to have your product key. You want to keep your product key and your ISO file in the same place. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this to the clipboard. I'll go open up Windows Explorer. I'm on my desktop, and you can be wherever you want to be. So I'll create a new folder, for instance. I'm just going to name it Windows 10. Okay, I'm going to open my folder. This is where I'm going to put my product key. So I'll create a text file. I'll name that Win10 key. That way I know what it is. Open up my text file. We're just going to paste it. That's all we're going to do. We'll do a Control-S to save it. You can do a file save. Do not do a save as. We've already done that. So we've got it saved. And once my file, my ISO, is finished downloading, I'll just go to the Downloads folder and I'll just move it into my Windows 10 folder. That way my key and my ISO always remain together. And that's all you really need to do to find and download software in Microsoft Azure.